Hello again, this is Francisca Setiawati. So today's topic is about pronoun. Any of you have heard about pronoun before? Yeah, this is a very familiar topic. Pronouns, yeah. The main word is noun, so it must be about noun. Okay, let's take a look at the next slide. We would like to see deeper about pronoun. But first of all, we need to know about the function. Yeah? Function about pronoun is to replace a noun, of course. Yeah? A noun can be a person, can be an animal, can be a thing, or maybe a kind of tree, or maybe a place. Yeah, those are part of noun. Yeah. Okay, next slide. So what do you think that might influence pronoun? Let's take a look one by one. Yeah, this one. Can you guess what is it? Yeah, the noun itself. As I said before, the noun can be a person, yeah, can be animal, thing, or maybe tree, or maybe place. Second, its function. What do you mean by function? This is a different function from the word function at the earlier slide. Yeah, function means it can be a noun, it can be an adjective, or maybe it can be an object. Yeah. 3, gender of people. Yeah, it might be a male or it might be a female. Yeah, man or woman. Yeah, we can see types of pronouns: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. We have another term for possessive adjective, that is determiner, and reflexive pronoun. How are they different? Here it is, the different. Yeah, this is example of pronoun. For adjective, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, or they. Yeah, they are put in the beginning of the sentence. Object, the object of I, me. Yeah, while determiner for the subject I, my. Okay, I'd like you to focus on determiner. In determiner or possessive adjective, yeah, it should be continue with a noun. For example, my book, your book, his book, her book, its book, our book, your book, and their books. Yeah, while in the possessive pronoun, you don't have to put a noun after the pronoun. Okay, we cannot say mine book, yours book. No, it should be just mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. How can we differentiate between my book and mine? Okay, when we talk about the same thing, the same noun, yeah, so we have two nouns and the noun are the same. Let me give you an example. This is my book, and that is your book. Okay, in English we cannot say the same book twice. Yeah, once again, this is my book and that is your book. We make it short by saying, this is my book and that is yours. Okay? Let me repeat once again. This is my book and that is yours, which means your book. Yeah? But since we talk about the same pronoun, the same noun, that is book, we only say it once, yeah, in determiner. My book and that is yours. I hope you know the difference now about determiner and possessive pronoun. While the reflexive pronoun, yeah, it is aimed to ourselves. For example, I can do the test by myself. Yeah. Another examples. He saw the accident by himself. Saya bisa mengerjakan tes sendiri, ya, without anybody else help. He saw the accident by himself. Dia melihat kecelakaan itu dengan mata kepalanya sendiri, by himself. Ya. We can do our job by ourselves. Kita bisa loh mengerjakan pekerjaan kita sendiri, ya, without anybody's help. Okay? Next, we have a special pronoun as well called interrogative pronoun. When we say interrogative, which means a question, pronoun for a question, what does it mean? Okay, so interrogative pronoun has a function to ask people or a thing. Yeah, when you want to ask people or a thing, basically you can use interrogative pronoun. Let me give you the examples. What is broken? What would be the answer? My leg. So, what is broken is a question, yeah, especially interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun in this sentence is the word what. Yeah. What is broken? The answer is my leg. My leg would be replaced by the interrogative pronoun what. Who has made you sad? James. James, yeah, would be replaced by interrogative pronoun who. Yeah. Once again, who has made you sad? James. Another examples. Which shop sold the kimchi? The store over there. The store over there is actually a thing. Yeah. So it can be replaced by interrogative pronoun which shop. Okay? But don't worry if you're still confused about interrogative pronoun. That would be fine. This is only an additional information about pronoun. So, I hope you're happy now because you got it now. Yeah, we got it now about pronoun. Until then, see you in the next topic in online English class. Bye bye class. See you later.